In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get a VPN working on Safari, and I found the best VPN for Apple devices. If you're using Safari on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, you might have noticed it doesn't have a built-in VPN option. But don't worry, getting one set up is simple. A VPN isn't just for privacy, although that's huge. It's also perfect for unlocking content that's restricted in your country. Whether it's streaming, getting better shopping deals, or just browsing without being tracked, a VPN is essential. Here's how to do it. On your iPhone or iPad, head to the App Store and search for NordVPN. Download it, create an account, and log in. On your Mac, do the same from the NordVPN website. If you want to try NordVPN at a great price, check out the link in the description. Once you open it, you'll see a map with different countries. Just tap or click the one you want to connect to, and NordVPN will automatically route all your internet traffic, including Safari, through that secure server. The best part? You don't have to change anything inside Safari itself. Once the VPN is on, Safari will automatically use it, giving you instant privacy and global access without any complicated setup. I've tested it on iPhone, iPad, and Mac, and NordVPN consistently gave me fast speeds and reliable connections. Plus, it's optimized for Apple devices, so it runs smoothly without draining your battery. So, if you want to keep your browsing private and unlock the full internet on Safari, go ahead and install NordVPN now. You'll find the link in the description to try it at a great price,